A facilitator of communication. Catalyst for social change. Combining tradition with modernity.
Post office.
Namaskar. I am India Post, a trusted partner with government since inception in 1854, when the British established postal services primarily to network the towns and areas of strategic military importance to them. With the coming of independence, postal services were transformed into a universal service, a social medium accessible to every citizen, reaching out to rural, hilly and tribal areas, including those places where no other public service is able to reach even today. Today, 160 years since establishment, my partnership with government is as strong as never before. I have a family of 1,54,866 post offices, 15,826 or 10.22% in urban areas, and the rest 1,39,040 or 89.78% in rural areas. I provide livelihood to 4,66,903 staff, 2,09,047 full-time departmental employees, and 2,57,856 part-time Grameen Dak Sevaks. Traditionally, this family together handles 634 crore mails every year, of which 20 crores are registered articles, 7 crores parcels, 9 crore money orders, and 24 crores are speed post. Besides, 26 crore clients have invested in my various small saving schemes. That is my all India picture. Let's zoom in on Maharashtra. Mahapost, the Maharashtra Postal Circle, comprises the Maharashtra and Goa states, covering an area of 3,07,690 square kilometers, covering a population of 11 crore 23 lakhs 72,972 people, headed by a Chief Postmaster General, with a Postmaster General each heading the regions of Mumbai, Pune, Goa, Aurangabad and Nagpur, spread across 36 revenue districts. Here I have 12,854 post offices with 258 in Goa, served by 58,380 staff, networked into 61 head post offices, 2,163 full-time sub-post offices and 10,630 part-time branch post offices throughout Maharashtra. I deliver all the traditional mails alongside the value-added services of speed post, business post, express parcel post, logistics post, money transfers, and a host of e-services and tailored offerings for the common man. Technology has now enabled us to offer guarantees in our services with the launch of Project Arrow, a renewed and sustained effort to change colors for the better through technology, market orientation, and motivation as cornerstones of our branding. Project Arrow received the Best Public Service Initiative Award from the Prime Minister as the most outstanding effort in administrative reform. For the government sector, including its arms and agencies, we already have meaningful tie-ups. We are already accepting electricity bills of MSEDCL and BEST to collect their payments. We also deliver and collect payments of the bills of BSNL and MTNL telephones and mobile phones. Government of Maharashtra has signed MOU with Maharashtra Circle for booking, dispatch and delivery of smart card, driving licenses and registration certificates through Speed Post issued by all 47 regional transport offices of Maharashtra. More than 80.5 lakh Speed Post articles containing driving licenses of RTO have been booked and dispatched by Maharashtra Circle up to 31st of August 2013. Payment of wages to labour under the MNREGS on behalf of the government, for which special savings bank accounts have been opened. 21 post offices collect stamp duty on behalf of the Registrar and Collector of Stamps, Maharashtra. The Ministry of Railways has tied up with us for sale of railway tickets. These are only a few tie-ups with the arms and agencies of the government. But certainly, this partnership can be carried further to benefit the people of Maharashtra. E-bill post service can be utilized by various government departments and local bodies for collection of various dues such as sales tax, land revenue, irrigation charges, etc. On welfare schemes for women, children, the aged and the disabled, we can deliver application forms, certifications and registration papers, and also sell and dispatch application forms to students from state universities. On the transport front, we accept applications addressed to RTO for various purposes, deliver challans to violators of traffic rules. Information dissemination by departments of health, education, police, social justice and empowerment. Use direct post, unaddressed mails containing brochures, pamphlets, etc. to specific target areas. Media post, put ads on postal stationery, hoardings inside and outside the post offices, mail vans, letterboxes, and use Meghdut postcards. Use logistics post, the 50 kilograms plus parcel category in its entire distribution chain for large consignments throughout the state, such as distribution of textbooks, medical stores. For everyone to be able to manage their money effectively and securely, we offer access to a bank account to fulfill the objective of government for financial inclusion to the last mile, particularly in rural areas.
क्यों न डिपार्टमेंट को और आधुनिक बनाया जाए और टेक्नोलॉजी का और फायदा लिया जाए। उसके लिए डिपार्टमेंट ने तय किया 1000 एटीएम लगेंगे, 25,600 के ऊपर पोस्ट ऑफिस कोर बैंकिंग सॉल्यूशंस में जाएंगे। नतीजा यह हुआ कि इसके लिए कंप्लीट टेक्नोलॉजी इंडक्शन की बात उठी और कंप्लीट टेक्नोलॉजी जिसे हम इंडिया पोस्ट विजन 2012 की बात करते हैं, वो लाया गया, जिसके लिए डिपार्टमेंट को 4,909 करोड़ रुपए भारत सरकार की ओर से मिले। उसका उद्देश्य ये है कि 2014 के दिसंबर तक हमें जितने भी 25,600 के ऊपर पोस्ट ऑफिस हैं उनको सीबीएस में लेके आना है, जिसके लिए हमारी मदद इन्फोसिस कर रहा है। 1000 एटीएम लगाना है, जिसमें इन्फोसिस हमारी मदद कर रहा है। नेटवर्क इंटीग्रेशन का काम सीपी कर रहा है। कोर सिस्टम इंटीग्रेटर का काम जो है वो टीसीएस कर रहा है। लोगों के मानसिकता में बदलाव के लिए टीसीएस काम कर रहा है। ये बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है, बहुत बड़ी डिपार्टमेंट की उपलब्धि है। ये 2013 तक जो चीजें हुई हैं उससे हमारे लोगों के बीच में, हमारे लोगों के मन में, लोगों के भाव में बड़ा परिवर्तन आया है, लोगों का कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा है। मैं प्रमुख सचिव महाराष्ट्र शासन को एक प्रेजेंटेशन लेकर के गया था। मैंने उनको यही सारी चीजें जो आज आपके साथ चर्चा कर रहे हैं, यही सारी चीजें मैंने उनके साथ बात करी। उनके साथ और भी प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी बैठे हुए थे, उनको बहुत खुशी हुई और उन्होंने कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हुए कहा कि इतने सारे लोगों के साथ, जहां मैं बात करता हूं एक्सेंचर की, टीसीएस की, मैकेंजी की, इन्फोसिस की, सीपी की, और साथ में जो डेटा सेंटर में जो डीकेसी की बात करते हैं, इतने सारे लोगों को जोड़ करके जो परिवर्तन हम लोग लेकर के आ रहे हैं, उनका कॉम्प्लीमेंट था कि ये इंडिया पोस्ट शायद लोगों को एक रास्ता दिखा रहा है कि गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में कैसे बदलाव आ सकता है, कैसे परिवर्तन आ सकता है।